Welcome to our channel. If you're ready to turn your creative passion into a profitable venture, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating an Etsy seller account step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for an Etsy account. Go to the Etsy homepage at www.etsy.com. Click on Sign In, located at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click on Register. Enter your email address, name, and a password, then click Register. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account for quicker access. Step 2. Set up your seller account. Once logged in, click on Sell on Etsy at the top of the page. You'll see an option that says Open your Etsy shop. Click on it. Choose your shop preferences regarding the language, country, and currency, then click Save and Continue. Step 3. Name your shop. Think of a unique and memorable shop name that reflects your brand. Etsy will check the availability of your chosen name. If it's taken, you'll need to try a different one. Once you settle on a name, click Save and Continue. Chopper. Step 4. Create your listings. Click on Add a listing. Upload high-quality photos of your products. Include multiple angles and images to showcase your items effectively. Fill in details like the title, description, price, and quantity. Don't forget to specify shipping details, including dimensions and weight. After filling in these details, click Save and Continue. Step 5. Set up payment and billing. Choose how you want to receive payments. Etsy Payments is recommended. Follow the prompts to enter your bank information and other required details. Etsy will also request a credit or debit card for billing purposes and verification. Step 6. Review and launch your shop. Review your shop details and listings one last time to ensure everything looks good. When ready, click on Open your shop. Congratulations, you're now an Etsy seller. Step 7. Promote your shop. Share your shop link on social media platforms. Engage with potential customers and promote your products to reach a larger audience. Consider joining Etsy teams and participating in forums to connect with other sellers. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on starting and growing your Etsy business. Happy selling!